Hey there, AI enthusiasts. Welcome back to Pacey AI, your go-to source for the latest in artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into some exciting updates from the world of AI productivity tools and development frameworks that are making waves in the tech community. First up, let's talk about Synthesia's latest avatar expansion. In a significant update this May, they've added over 70 new AI avatars to their platform, giving content creators more diverse options for video production. This expansion demonstrates how AI video generation is becoming increasingly sophisticated and customizable. Next, we've got some impressive developments from Notion AI. Their June 2025 update has introduced enhanced project management capabilities, including smart task prioritization and automated workflow suggestions. These features are revolutionizing how teams collaborate and organize their work. GitHub Copilot has also stepped up its game in Q2 2025 with a groundbreaking feature, real-time vulnerability detection. This means developers can now catch potential security issues while coding rather than during the review process. It's like having a security expert watching over your shoulder as you code. These updates show how AI tools are becoming more sophisticated and integrated into our daily workflows. Whether you're a content creator, project manager, or developer, there's never been a better time to leverage AI for productivity. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Pacey AI, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest AI developments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.